Okay, now topic is the Mechanical Engineers Code of Ethics. Start tayo. So this is Mechanical Engineering, Resolution number 6, series of 2003, or the Code of Ethical and Professional Standards for the practice of mechanical engineering profession. Also, one to the provision of Section 9A of Republic Act number 8495. Next, natin to topic na to. Known as the Philippine Mechanical Engineering Act of 1998 and Section 50. Tapos na pala. Rule 13. Okay, 13 of Board Resolution number 16, series of 1998, providing for the rules and regulation to carry out purposes of the Act. The Board of Mechanical Engineering hereby adopts, promulgates, and issues this code of ethical and professional standard for the practice of mechanical engineering profession. So, preamble, engineering is a profession as old civilization. It is not only an important profession. Okay, sorry. It is not only an important profession, it is also a learned one. Learned, the member of, di ba sa graduate lang, hindi ka nag-aral at nag-graduate, hindi yan learn. The members of the mechanical engineering professional recognize that their work has a direct and vital impact on the quality of life of the people. The self-mechanical engineers provide is impressed with public interest, for it affects the health, safety, and welfare of the people. Hence, they should be honest, fair, impartial, and just in dealing not only with their but also with their fellow men. As a professional, the mechanical engineer must practice his profession by observing a standard of professional behavior that requires strict adherence to the principles of ethics and professional conduct provided by the Code of Ethics of their profession. Fundamental canons. Mechanical engineers in the fulfillment of their professional duties shall 1. Hold paramount safety, health, and welfare of the public in the performance of their professional duties. Yan. Yung safety ng mga tao, public, yan ang magiging important. Care mo, di ba? Two, only and areas of their competence. Huwag mo pakialaman yung gawa ng iba. Huwag kang mag-architect, huwag kang mechanical ka. Make issues public statement on issues only in the objective and truthful manner. Walang fake news. Yung kang yung influence ng mali, di ba? For act in a professional manner of its employer or client as faithful agent or trustees. Yan. Pag mo. 5. Avoid improper solicitation of clients or professional employment. Okay. Diyan tayo sa general principles. Rule 1. The mechanical engineer shall, in the practice of his profession, be guided by the golden rule, the ideals of service to man and his environment, and the need to secure unwavering public confidence, integrity, and humanity. Rule number 2, the mechanical engineer shall maintain national fee of his school in the profession, walang siraan, and fulfill his duties and obligation as a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. Rule number 3, The mechanical engineer shall update and enhance constantly his professional knowledge and skills through assiduous research and study, and participation in continuing professional development programs and seminars conducted or authorized by the Integrated Organization of Mechanical Engineers, accredited by the Board of Mechanical Engineering and the Professional Regulation Commission, PRC, or education institution supervised by the state. Yan. Yan yung PSME ngayon, di ba? Yung accredited, yan ang accredited. Role number 4. Yan. Di ba yung Continue Professional Development, CPD. Role number 4. The ethical is organized existing for the practice of engineering. Yan. Kung kumpanya mo is engineering, huwag mo sisirain yung kalaban mo. Ng engineering din. Mechanical, same ano kayo, di ba? Rule number 5. The mechanical engineer shall honor and respect the supreme authority of the state rule of law, the primacy of the general welfare, the fundamentals, rights of person, and obligations and privileges of citizens recognized and guaranteed by the Constitution of the Philippines. Number 6. He shall cooperate fully with the state in the pursuit of national development plans and programs, shall respect the inviolability of of national security, shall assist in the promotion of peace and order, and when circumstances arise, shall assist in the prevention and or prosecution of unjust, criminal, or unlawful acts and omission. Parang magwi-witness ka. Rule number 7, he shall be ready to render the services needed for the development of the resources of the country and to offer his mechanical devices and invention essential or necessary for national defense. Rule 8, in case of national emergency, he shall be ready to offer his professional knowledge, skill, and experience in the service of the state. Rule number 9. The mechanical engineer shall be well informed of the latest technological progress in his own line of work. He shall encourage or require, whenever appropriate, the use or application of standard mechanical equipment, machinery, or process of safety, economy, and efficiency. So rule number 10, whenever he designs a mechanical equipment, machinery, or process, or prepares the layout of a project, he must apply an adequate factor of safety and provide the necessary leeway to ensure and maintain for proper operating and maintenance condition. Ba? Rule number 11. When he discovers faulty or unsafe devices, equipment, or machinery in any place, work, or plant, he shall without delay give notice thereof to the proper authority, public or private, for immediate and effective correction, regardless of whether or not he is responsible for said place, work, or plant. Kung may nakita kang delikado, so i-report mo na sa barangay. Kung sa barangay nyo, may nakita i-report nyo. Kung sa site naman, sa boss nyo. Rule number 12. The mechanical engineer shall recognize labor as one of the major resources of our country. He must acknowledge that a working man is not a mechanical robot but a human being. Yan, sugo kang sugo. Hindi mo alam, busy pa. Pagkasugo pa sana, masugo pa na naman. Okay? Rule 13. He should be familiar with state policies on labor and social justice, as well as the labor and social legislation, and shall observe faithfully these policies and laws in dealing with labor in general, and with his workmen in particular. Rule 14. He shall strive to improve the skills of his workmen, pay them a fair living wage, and instruct them on how to prevent accidents in their place of work. Rule number 15. The mechanical engineer shall observe punctuality in his appointment, perform honesty and in good faith his contractual obligation in his duties and obligation to his client or employer, and observe fair leading in his relation with his client and employer. Rule 16. He shall treat with confidentiality any information obtained by him regarding the business affair and technical method of processes of a client or employer. Rule number 17. He shall inform his client or employer of his business connection, interest, or affiliation which may influence his judgment or impair the quality or characters of his services. Rule number 18. The mechanical engineer is entitled to adjust and fair compensation of his services and the computation of such compensation, the period of time consumed, his professional knowledge, skill, experience, and reputation, and the depreciation of instrument and material use shall be considered in accordance such ways as is just and reasonable. Rule number 19. He shall accept compensation, financial or otherwise, his services from his client or employer only. Diba, isa lang. He may agree to or receive compensation from any other source only with the full knowledge and consent of all parties concerned. Yung tawag nating permit to practice. Diba? Kaya yung iba, pili ka man mga gano'n sa permit form, yung mga registered lang kaso kailangan wala kang trabaho. Kasi di ka pili sa supervision ng ibang project nung hindi naman sa kumpanya nyo. Di ba? Rule number 20. The mechanical engineer shall be completely above suspicion or reproach in his relation with his client or employers, avoiding the remotest reference or relation to any secret or questionable agreement on commission or other financial consideration promised by or received from any person or entity other than his client or employer. Minsan nakaka-violate ka niyan, di ba? Yung lalagyan ka. Nakari mo nga ito. Yan, yung mga picture. No, so kung kapakilakan nga. Yung mga sa internal na may papakuha sa loob, to bayadan ka, yun talagang bawal. Rule number 21. To thine own self be true and do cannot be false to any man, expresses the duty which a mechanical engineer owes to himself and to others. Rule number 22. The mechanical engineer shall use only fair means to gain professional advancement. In the pursuit thereof, he shall not endure the work or employment opportunities of others or use any improper or questionable method of soliciting employment or clients. Ito mga unethical, di ba? Ikaw yung ma-hire, sisiraan mo yung kalaban mo. Okay, rule number 23. He shall refrain from associating with or allowing the use of his name by and any person or entity of questionable reputation. Yan, sisiraan yung pangalan mo. Alam mo lang, yun, bad record yun, mapagamit pa yung pangalan mo. Di ba? Lalo na sa mga yung mga sa utang. Yan, joint. Nagkikipag-join ka, ginusto ka makipag-join sa mangutang, pumayag ka naman, hindi mo alam yung kasama mo pala. Hindi naman nagbabayad, kaya sila ka rin. Rule number 24, he shall provide the opportunity and the means to improve and advance the knowledge, skills, and experience of his colleagues and associate. Yan. Yung mong chance na ma-approve siya. Rule 25, he shall define clearly the line of authority and scope of responsibility of his associate and orders or the recorder of shall be issued through proper channel. Yan, yung mga foreman, supervisor, yan ang channel na. Huwag bang walang bypass. Rule number 26, he shall be receptive to new ideas and suggestions from others and ready to recognize, encourage, and accredit the authors thereof. Yan. Sinabi, si nagsabi ng Maganda gamitin tong parts na to. Oh, ganun lang, recognize mo siya. Pero hindi ka naman agad, yung ideas lang yon. So, kung accept mo yung apply mo, siyempre, nasa your decision yon. Suggestion for colleagues and associates shall be given more careful attention. Yan. Rule number 27, he shall use tact and discretion in dealing with his colleagues and associates, but not at the sacrifice of firmness. He shall work out difficult problems with courage and serenity. Rule number 28, careful selection of understudies shall be a guiding principle, and preference shall be given to those with adequate engineering education. Rule 29, he shall not expect others to face danger that he himself will. He shall observe at all times safety requirements for the protection of all concerned. Lalo na kung safety engineer ka. Siyempre, babantay mo yung mga tao na malilikot dyan. Pasaway. Awatin mo. Rule number 30. The mechanical engineer shall actively support the accredited association with the end and view of enhancing the practice of profession and discharging his public responsibilities as professional. Supportahan mo yung organization nyo. Rule number 31. Violation of any to di ko na. Okay. Rule number 31 sa provision on disciplinary action. Violation of any provision of this code shall constitute a ground for the revocation or suspension of the certificate of registration and professional license, professional identification card, or the cancellation of a temporary or special permit under provision of Section 26 and Section 27, Article 3 of Republic Act 8 number 8495, known as the Mechanical Engineering Act of 1998, Section 41, Rules 7 of the Rules and regulations implementing RA 8495. Effectivity, Rule 32, this code shall take effect after 15 days following its publication in full and in the official gazette or in a newspaper of general circulation, whichever comes earlier. So, yan, in the city of Manila, that is March 10, 2003. Yes, this is now the end of this topic.